What's going on, people? Welcome back to a long but well overdue video. Know it's been a while. Today we got something special. Alright. Recently I picked up the car. It's a 1993 Nissan 240. It's a big turbo KA. It's running flex fuel, but since I've owned the car, I have not ran E85 in it. So right now it's just been on pump, and it's probably got like 4 something to the wheel on pump, and supposedly on E85 it's over 500. I personally have not tried it yet. I'm getting ready to go get spark plugs, do the spark plugs, gap them, and then I got to figure out the gas situation, see how much gas is in it. Then I got to go put 85 in it, drive it for a second, and then it should cycle through, and then, you know, because of the ECU, it should recognize the fuel. Now, I know a lot of you are going to recognize the car, like, oh my god, that's Kilgore's car. Yeah, it is. I bought it built. But I got mad respect for him. The car was built correctly at a shop. A lot of money was put into it. You know, and I don't mind driving it around. I like the car. It's a nice car. It's quick. But yeah, I just wanted to say shout out to him. I'm gonna put his IG up here in the corner. Y'all want to go look him up on Instagram, follow him. But yeah, shout out to him. I picked it up only because I got it for a good deal. I never was a Nissan guy myself, never really thought about buying a 240. But I saw it, saw the power, and I was like, you know what, there's a lot done to it. And then after I bought it, I found out how much work got put into it. But yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna go run to the auto parts store, get plugs, and we're gonna be back. Just picked up the plugs from O'Reilly's. I had to get another gap tool though, because I lose mine. Every time I buy them, I lose them. So had to buy a gapper, and I got the plugs. I'm on the way back to the house. We'll put them in, and then we're gonna be ready for fuel, y'all. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so we just got back to the house. Pop the hood. Give y'all a quick peep. What's under here? Right out with the hood. Still on distributor. Pushing power, baby. Power. So pretty much all I'm gonna do is take these spark plugs out, put new spark plugs in, check the oil, check coolant, and then fuel. I gotta check fuel too. Because you're only supposed to have like a gallon of 93, and then you put the E85 in, and then you drive it, and then supposedly it's supposed to automatically adjust. But yeah, I'm gonna do these spark plugs, and I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, so we're about halfway through. These are the old plugs. You can see them, they're a little... Yeah, it was about time, you know. I got 2 done so far, 1 and 2. But I'm getting ready to do the third. I gotta take this strut bar off, this bar, to get to the third one. But we're almost there, and yeah, be back soon. We'll figure out the fuel, Then we finna be having more power, baby. Alright, so I'm in my garage. It's hot as balls outside. But I got all the spark plugs changed out. They were pretty nasty. I mean, they're all pretty. When you have a hood exit, I mean, what do you expect? Come on, focus, mother. Alright, whatever. But anyways, plugs are changed out. Now I have to figure out fuel. A lot of people are gonna be like, "Gosh, shut up already! Why don't you just put E85 in it? I don't care about you talking. I want to see the car go fast." Yeah, well, I do too. But I don't know how much gas is in that tank. The electronic gauge on there is a little off. By a little, I mean a lot. Bitch, shit's on E. It might bounce up every once in a while, but it's pretty much just stuck on E. So, I'm gonna have to go see how much gas is in this tank. When I find that out, then yeah, we're gonna go from there. The other night, I had to run it real low on gas. I had almost a full tank. And then all day today I've been driving it around, getting the tank really low. I'm getting ready to go get 85 right now, and then we'll get the reaction. That's just kind of fast just on 93 gas. Not even on 85 yet, it's quick. We're all the way there now. Alright. Yeah. Gonna go put that bitch on 85. Going up to the gas station right now. Alright, so we just pulled up to the gas station. About to get the E in that jank. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little. Just set the camera in. I'm a little nervous. Well, we gonna send it. Let's go. 85 golden. And start. Let's go. Cars over 85 now, boy. I'm waiting for this shit for a long time. It's finally going down. Let's go. Let's go. Babe, the car's only 85 now. We gotta take it easy though.
What's that supposed to mean?
What does what mean? The 85?
Yeah.
It's a type of fuel.
Yeah, but what's it supposed to do?
Makes the car go faster.
No, because you need that, right?
I did eat that. Alright. my keys at. Got to get the first start up on video. If this bitch starts.
Don't say that. You should have left me home with this.
I'm nervous. Alright.
You didn't say that until just now.
Yeah, I know.
I had to
Are you ready?
Are you?
Alright, car is on the E85. I'm pretty sure all the fuel's set in it. But we're gonna give her a test run and see. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Holy shit! Full power, baby!
That shit was smoking.
Alright, well, it's a lot faster, but I think the turbo seal's going bad because I feel that was smoke, right? I'm not tripping. Oh yes, there's a little bit of smoke in the bay here. I think it's just I think it could be the seal, maybe. I don't know. But we're gonna do a couple more pulls. More smoke. Alright, so why is it smoking? That shit is fast as fuck! That shit is fast as a bitch. God damn! Oh, it's just smoking there. Ooh, that be running! Ooh, that holy shit! God damn, this bitch is fast. Oh my god, the bumps are so bad right now. So we just made it back off the E85. It's fast. It's a lot faster than it was, obviously. But I don't know if it's too much pressure, but the dipstick keeps popping out, and I don't know if it's from that, the oil on the header, and I mean like smoke is pouring out the back and then it fills up, but when it's driving it's fine. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to look into that. But yeah, it's been successful. Peace out, everybody, until next time.
It's that night time, opposite a nickel they dime. Prime suspect, I'm not upset. You copy that style of mine.